You know when you go to like restaurants or anywhere and you use the restrooms in there and everything, like if it's like a nicer place, everything is automatic. And you know, when you go to wash your hands, you're just like, zoop, and the thing is like, zoo zoop, and your soap comes out in your hands. And then the paper towel thing always gives me a problem because it's like, do I do this? Do I do this? I'm doing all this. The sinks, forget it. I feel like they never work. But I wanted to be fancy. Look what I got. She's beautiful. This is the Zyfe Automatic Soap Dispenser. And the awesome thing about this is it's rechargeable. It's rechargeable. I'm determined to have as many things in my life rechargeable as possible because I don't want to do the batteries anymore. I just don't. I don't care. So, cord to charge it, fabulous. You literally just open up the top here and put your soap in like that. And then when you're, you know, when you're ready to get zoop in my own kitchen, you can mount it too. It comes with the anchor and the screw. You can mount it on your wall, bathroom, kitchen, shower. You can use this for shampoo and conditioner as well. I'm in love. And like I said, the fact that you can recharge this thing is freaking fantastic. Look, gives you a battery meter and everything. Has your measurements up the side. This thing is awesome and going to change my life. And ever since I said shower, shampoo, conditioner, I feel like I need 2 more now.